Where there's life, there's hope. Hope that transforms into willingness. Willingness that drives toward success. Success that leads to trust. The trust of more than 100 million Egyptians. The trust of over 60 countries in Africa, the Middle East, and Eastern Europe. The trust of 14 global brands. The trust of the world's largest organizations for industrial and commercial standardization. This trust has enabled Elaraby to become a leader in developing and manufacturing consumer electronics and home appliances in Egypt, the Middle East, and Africa. A workforce of more than 40,000 employees. A state-of-the-art research and development center equipped with the latest high-tech solutions to develop products guided by consumers' needs and expectations while abiding by international quality standards and safety measurements. 16 commercial and industrial enterprises with a capital exceeding $900 million. 26 factories spread over 700,000 square meters across 4 different governments with the world's latest production technologies. Unprecedented rates of industrial localization reaching up to 90%. 25 product categories with more than 4,000 variations. More than 3,000 sales partners. 17 branded stores across the country. More than 600 after-sales service centers. Figures continue to validate the journey of trust and success over the years, supported by the market shares of Elaraby's products in the Egyptian market. A huge healthcare institution with an investment exceeding $60 million, providing comprehensive medical services to become the quickest ever in Egypt to receive the gold seal of the world's largest healthcare accreditor, JCI. And in a society that trusted Elaraby over the years, Elaraby contributes to the community through implementing and adopting various development projects. In education, health, environmental well-being, and social solidarity, with total funds exceeding $70 million for more than 30 million social aids. It's the trust of stakeholders that forms the core of an ongoing success story since 1964. Trust witnessed throughout the years. Elaraby, the manufacturers of trust.